guys, it's Wolfy and Wolfy.
And we're doing another video. Who here is a boy? No. Do you want to be a boy?
No.
Okay, then say none of us.
Whoops.
It's like for you.
Did that show up?
Are you kidding? Oh my god.
Didn't mean to say that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Anyways.
Anyways, aren't we doing Falling Phantoms?
Okay.
Okay.
I'm a Dave.
Are doing Falling Phantoms.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, let's teleport you. Okay, we're waiting now for
No, come on. Okay. Ugh.
Okay, I'll do the 1, 2, 3 thing.
Okay, 1. Oh, whoops.
2. 3.
Okay, and I'm not with anyone.
Although we're with each other, but I think we should exit out of this.
Well, duh.
Okay, anyways, I think we should quit this. Anyways, oh god, I wish you could have my screen. This is boring. Can we exit?
Yes.
Okay, I'll exit. I bet he thinks I'm like a jerk. Okay.
Okay.
Waiting.
Okay. 3. Oh god. 2, 1, go.
But he's doing it without.
Dude, I don't know him.
Well, what if we watch this?
Then he
I'm
can.
trying to be the nice person here, dude.
That's nice.
Anyways.
Okay, so one game because I don't.
Hey, I'm on the same computer that's the laggy one, and I can move. That's awesome.
Yay! I can move. Dot both doors and I'm moving.
Okay, watch me epically. I don't know. I'm kind of bad at this game. Yeah, I just.
Ha ha ha! Yeah. Oh god. Oh. Okay.
Dang it.
So that's.
Sorry, person. Northern Beta. Okay, 1.
Hold on. Whoops. Okay.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, go.
And we got each other.
Wait,
You
what
think
did he
he's
say?
left? You think he's trying to find us?
No. Dot.
Anyways.
Ooh.
Saying Northern Beta did join the video with us in the beginning, but we don't. Anyways, yeah.
Dude, that potion
It's
has.
just a random person that.
No, not him. That clock.
Croc?
Yeah.
What's with the.
Crocodile.
Look at their mask.
I know.
It's like through their head, through their eyeballs.
That's. Oh god.
Oh my god. What place are you in? I think you're 3rd, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, well, that is gonna end it up.
Yeah, I'm losing my feel.
That's gonna end it up. So, I will. Oh shoot. Who are you? Gotcha.
What are you talking about?
Nothing. Okay, anyways, so that ended up. And like, comment, and sub. Peace out.